Hey, if you're trying to install YouTube app from Google Play Store, but each and every time you get this message, can't install YouTube, then in this video, I'm going to show you some of the steps you can take to fix this problem. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. All right, so in the first method, you need to go to your Google Play Store app, and here we need to access the app info page. The problem might be with Google Play Store, so that's the first place to troubleshoot. To access Google Play Store app info page, just long press on it and you should see app info. If you don't see this app info, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access this app info page. You can also access app info page through settings. Now at this point, first you need to force stop Play Store by typing on force stop here, and then go and clear this data. So if you go to data here, tap on clear data and you need to clear cache history and okay. At this point now, restart your smartphone and then head back to Google Play Store and search for your app, and now you should be able to install it. However, if you can't still install YouTube app, then make sure that you are logged into your Play Store with your Gmail, and then tap on your email here and scroll down to settings. Now under settings, look for this option called network preferences, and under it choose app download preference. Currently you can see it is set to Wi-Fi only, which means you may not be able to download and install apps if you are on mobile data. Change this to over any network to ensure that you can download and install apps on your smartphone via any network you are connected to. To save the changes, tap on OK and then go ahead, search for your app, and now I'll search for YouTube and run the search. Once you find the YouTube, then open it and install. For my case, I've already installed and therefore I don't need to install it again. So at this point now everything should be okay. However, if you can't still install this app, then you may want to free up some space on your phone. Just clear trash by deleting unnecessary photos and videos or apps that you no longer use. Then clear trash and try to install your app. So that's how you can fix can't install YouTube from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.